I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies. And we're going to show you our MP Round mouse pad.
Stay tuned. Okay, so today in this video, we are going to be working with our mouse pad. This is 7.5 inches round. It is a 1/4 of an inch thick. It does have a nice backing, a neoprene material, and then of course your white surface for sublimation. So let's get started.
Okay, we did our design using Photoshop, and we printed using our Sawgrass printer. We're going to center this on here and use the thermal tape to keep it in place. And you can cut away the excess, but it's not necessary.
Okay, so we are going to use in our standard 16 by 20 inch press today. I do have a piece of Teflon down on our bottom platen to protect our platen from any ink. And then I'm going to cover it with a piece of silicone on the top of the transfer. The transfer is image face down. And we are pressing today at 400 degrees for 30 seconds at a medium pressure. Okay, so we are ready here. And we are going to remove in a nice, smooth, consistent motion as a hot peel. And we do have our thermal gloves on hand as well. And we're going to set to the side to let it cool. Okay, so now that it has cooled off, we have one personalized item. And anything else to add in there, Meredith?
These would be great in the kitchen to put a hot pan on to protect your countertops. And if you do like our artwork, be sure to check out our digital marketplace.
And also check out our product instructions and templates available online at coastalbusiness.com. And we'll see you next time.